There are a whole host of conversations planned. In fact, Mangalam right now does have a guest as well. Mangalam.
Well, we're talking about the optimism around India. We're talking about how the macros are doing extremely well. The market has shown its, congruence with the great macros as well, with the Nifty having hit a fresh record high yesterday as well. And who better than Mr. Ramesh Damani, the veteran of many cycles in the market, joining us today, talking about excellence as well. Mr. Damani, first up, the Nifty hitting a record high. It was just a matter of time, I presume.
Yeah, and not only that, you're having your IBLA awards on the day it hit the high, so congratulations. And I think this is going to be one of many highs, and I think this time I noted you didn't throw balloons or cut cakes, because now that's going to be a part of our regular feature, I hope.
Exactly. When excellence becomes a part of your habit, then you don't, celebrate everything that comes by. But that's not to say that we're not conscious of the things that are happening around as well. One thing I want to ask, you, when it comes to experience and the multiple cycles that you've seen, there are times when there is a lot of optimism around the world. Everyone is very excited about India. Our macros are showing that. Our micros are showing that. Is there any risk that you see here?
There is always risk. The important thing to understand, Mangalam, is always say, separate the risk from the volatility. Volatility is what happens to us, and that's where we take advantage of it. The market will go up, down. The next 2,000 points could be up or down. No one knows. That's volatility. Risk is the chance that you permanently lose capital. And if the last 30 years, since 1992 at least, have shown us, is that this is a great bull market in India, and onward and upward, as they say.
Onward and upward is, as they say as well. But, speaking about onward and upward, heaven has been graced very recently by the presence of Charlie Munger as well. I'm sure, the balance sheet up there, which will now be managed by him for God, will be a lot richer.
Absolutely. I mean, it's, Munger used to have this very famous quote where he say, if I knew where I was going to die, I wouldn't go there. Of course, he couldn't even dodge that bullet. But, Munger has been influential to so many generations of my investors. And in fact, in one of the speeches, he said that the most followers he has in the recent last 20 years are from China and India. And I know that there are 3 generations of Damani, myself, my son, and my grandson, who are unabashed fans of Munger way of thinking.
Well, you said if he knew where he would die, he would not go there. He did not until he was 99, of course. Fate had his own way, and it was a life well lived, a life which is worth celebrating. The Nifty celebrated it by hitting a fresh record high as well. We'll let you go and, enjoy the evening. Thank you so much for joining in. So that is, the veteran of the markets talking about the markets hitting a fresh record high, a lot of optimism. With that, it's over to you, Yash. I believe you have someone special with you too.
Hey, thank you for watching this on CNBC TV18. Hope you liked it. For more such interesting news and updates, follow CNBC TV18 on all the social media platforms.